Hi, in today's video we're going to look at creating a batch. This will allow us to save raw measurement data to a USB stick, which we can then import into Talyprofile for further analysis. To set up a batch, make sure you've inserted your USB stick, go into the menu and select Store. Go into Store mode and make sure you're set up with USB and RAW. We can then select to create a new batch. I'll call this CAM. Now that the batch name is saved, any data that we take will make up part of that batch and save onto the USB stick. Now that we have our batch of results saved to USB, we're going to show how easy it is to load them into a template file in Talyprofile. So if we go File and Apply a Template, we're then going to browse to choose our template. Here's my demo template. We then want to select the files to use. So you can either select them one by one as a single file or select a folder. So I made a folder earlier and put my batch of results in this folder. So there we go, CAM results, and select folder. We want these in PRF format, as this is the format that the S-100 saves the raw profiles, and we're going to want all files from this folder. And now we can see we've got the 17 results that we took. Under Choose Additional Actions, I'm going to select to open all documents. You can also complete actions such as exporting the documents into PDF formats and exporting results into text files. We then have the option of where we want to save the generated document. You can either save it in the same location as the template file or save it in the same location as the result files. So I'm going to select the template as this is saved on my network. Now you can see the software processing all the raw profiles and applying the template file to all of these. And there we go, just like that. We've got 17 profiles all analysed. You can see as part of my template, I've got the parameters that I want to view. I've also got some tolerance limits set up. And I've applied the correct filters that I want for these measurements.